When you apply for new license or renewal of license, earlier there was no time limit. Controlling authorities was taking long time, and the companies were not sure when they will get Pasara license. In this, now government has made time limit. When the new Pasara license is applied, within 60 days, now controlling authorities has to give you a license, or if they are rejecting, they have to give the reason for that. Same is the case for review or renewal of a license, in which time limit is now 30 days. This will help now private companies to plan their activities, and the time which was wasted earlier could be reduced now. Earlier, the verification of character and antecedent was done through police authorities, which used to take lot of time, because the document has to come to a respective place where applicants are residing, and the process was long. Now government has said these verification has to done by digital data bank which government has, such as a criminal tracking network and system and criminal justice system. This will reduce lot of time in verifications and will help private security to have ease of work. Same is case for verification of guard and security guards and the supervisors, which was taking long time. Now this also has to done by the government digital platform, and this verification of guard will be valid for 5 years. That means if once a verification is done, if the guard is moves from one state to other state for security job, he need not to be verified again. This verification will remain valid for 5 years. Earlier also applicant, that is the top management, MDs and COs, they have to do 6 days course prior to applying the Pasara license. Though it was existing, but it was not that seriously taken. Now in this rule it has been emphasized that this training has to be done, and the well-defined syllabus has been given. Earlier there was no syllabus, it was dependent on the controlling authority, but however this time the all topics and syllabus is given for 6 days. So government is more keen on this training should be taken by the top management. But however, they've given the leeway that if in one state, when first time this Pasara is applied in a particular state, and the top management has done this training, they need not to repeat this training when they are going to other state for asking for Pasara license. So that means he has to only go through once this course if a company is a pan-India, and when he is applying to other state, this training need not to be done by the top management. The fourth change which has been done is on training of the guards. 160 hours of training, which was earlier also existing, has been reinforced in this. However, this time government is keen that this training is done sincerely, and all controlling authorities have been given power to visit training center on frequent basis and ensure that this training is being carried out. And now this syllabus of this training is aligned with the National Skill Qualification Framework, and on the basis of this training has to be done, and subsequently government will come up other detail in this training. This time government quite serious that this training has to be done before any guard is deployed at the site.